Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to solve the exercise of from number 1, stopping by wood on a snowy evening. So let's get started. Yes, it's page number 13, and sometimes we can add the suffix y to a word when we wish to use it as an adjective. Like here, add the suffix y to these words and then use the new words, adjectives you have made in sentences of your own. Fluff, by adding y we make it adjective fluffy. Fun, fun, by ending ny, it's funy, funny. It also makes an adjective. Leaf, leafy, leafy. Sugar, shuar, by adding y it makes adjective, that is sugary. Bent, bend, by adding y we make it another adjective, that is bendy. And add the suffix y to the following where possible. Not all the words can take the suffix y, so check in the dictionary and be careful about the spelling changes. Red, we cannot use y with the red, so it remains red. And run, runy, runny. Shade, by skipping the last word e we add y here, so make it shady, shady, shady. Close, remain the close as same without adding y. Shout also remains the same. Now thorn, thorny, it's became thorny. And wait, weighty, no change with the cold. Snowy and sunny. Again here we add double n, sunny. Next is abbreviations. Do you remember what an abbreviation is? It's short for writing something. Usually only the important words have their initial letters in the abbreviations. So like Bachelor of Arts is not BOA but BA. See if you can write abbreviations for the following. Yes, Master of Science is M.S with the capital C. M.S small c. Sorry. Again, I'm repeating. Master of Science, its abbreviation is M, capital M, dot capital S, small c. Number 2 is His, Her Majesty is capital H, capital M, without any dot. Number C, Member of Parliament, it's MP, both are capital. Capital M with capital P. Master of Arts, capital M dot capital A. School Leaving Certificate, capital S, capital L and capital C. SLC. Doctor of Medicine, MD, both are capital words, M and capital D. Trade Union, T.U, both are capital words. Doctor of Philosophy, PhD, P is capital, H is smaller and dot capital D, PH dot D. Southeast, SE, both are capital words, S is capital and the E is also capital. Bachelor of Education, capital B dot E, capital, small d. This is B8. Bachelor of Education is B dot E D. E is capital but D is small. Next is contraction. Write the short form contractions for the following. I am with the short form I'm. I, comma, am. Number B, have not. With the contraction we can call it haven't. HAVEN, comma, T. They have. And in contraction we can say that they've. T-H-E, contraction, we-E. We are. With the contraction, we can say that we're. W-E, R-E. Cannot. We can say that can't. C-A-N, T. They will. That in contraction, we can say that they'll. T-H-E, double L. Shall not. S-H-A-N, T. This is shan't. It is. IT, S. It becomes its. They are. Again there. They, re. Will not. Want. Won, T. I would. I'd. D. She will. She'll. CSHE, double L. Next is noun and verbs. Look at the sentences below. He gives his harness bells a shake. We have to find the noun and verbs in these sentences. Below are some words that may be used as nouns or verbs. So you can use these words as a noun or as a verb here. So state whether the underlined words are nouns or verbs. Time. It's a noun here. Time should not be wasted, and we can easily time how long it will take by using a stopwatch. Time is verb here. The flies settled on the piece of bread. Flies is noun, and he flies to many different countries each year. Here flies is verb. We rent an apartment. Here rent is verb, and she pays rent for her apartment. Here is noun. Yes. Stopping by woods on a snowy evening. It's a pre-reading activity. Queer, flake, frozen, harness, sweep, exercises. Right? Meanings. Words, easy English and meanings. Queer, strange, ajeeb. Woods, forest, jungle. Downy, soft, naram. Harness, leather straps for an animal. Lagam, bagh. Sweep, to move quickly with force. Tezi se guzar jana. Flake, a snowflake, barf ka gala. Shake, to move, hilana. Question number 2, make sentences. Words, sentences. Queer, I saw a queer shrub in the garden. Flake, I love to play with snowflakes. Frozen, my mother took out frozen meat from the refrigerator. Woods, he passed by woods. Harness, I bought harness for my dog.